Assalamualaikum. Hello everyone. Welcome back to my another video. In this video, how to get double one, double two, double three in Excel. Okay. Example: I select the cells 1 and 2. Okay. Now select two cells and dragging this area, and now select full text. Control C for copy and Control V for paste. Again Control D, Control D, again select full and Control C for copy, Control V and select first and dragging last. Okay. Now go to data tab, click sort and see this sort by column. Now last column Z, F Z. Now select Z. Then click OK. Now see this double one, double two, double three, and remove this number. Okay. Now see this double one, double two, double three. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.